Hey guys, it's Panda Man, and today we're giving a dinosaur long arms because the dinosaurs have been tormented their whole lives with not being able to reach the food. So now we give them 3D printed parts, and with the power of modern technology, we'll give them the ability to grab things. So I've got all the parts here. We gotta start gluing them together. In the end, it's gonna look something like this. Wait, like this. So now I gotta start hot gluing everything because I don't have enough time for Gorilla Glue. Okay, so it works pretty well. I only rigged up one side of it because I would have to split the string up and we're running out of time. So this works just as well. Well, you know what? Pet Simon. It's right there. Just one final test. Yes, it works on cats. Okay, so that's the end of this video. Like it if you liked it, subscribe for more, and see ya!